Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at Aino Mugisha Alemansi Wanzu. You could call me Spider MC when I'm holding a microphone or doing my community work. I represent Bavubuka Dynasty, I represent Tandike Sawa, Street Slang Language Uganda, Africa is Now, and Merita Movement. What I want to tell my brothers and sisters out there in the diaspora is that we need you right now. The changes come, you know, but we need your help out there. One thing I know is that, yeah, you're hip-hop there, we're doing our hip-hop this way, but maybe you guys need to calm down and see your roots. There are a lot of things you can check out here, and spiritually, trust me, you're gonna change, you know. Like, our eyes are used to them and we can't see the new in them, but you people from there can help us see that. Your hip-hop and our hip-hop relating together can form something one that is very, 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 very strong, because to me, hip-hop is not just hip-hop. I think hip-hop is a path, you know, because it's just love, unity, having fun, and peace. What's better than that, you know? So I think you brothers and sisters need to come down this way. Let's support each other spiritually, economically, socially, and you know, thank you so much.